Hello there. What I'm going to show you is a little Morse code key I've made up out of just a mini stapler and a computer. How it works basically. Let me get out of this. I don't know what that is. So what I have just a simple C program. It just beeps at a certain frequency using the Windows call beep. And I use 600 because I find they say any range from 600 to 900 is standard, but I find anything above 700 to be a little annoying. And I'm going to run it here in the DOS prompt. Actually, it's running right now. There we go. Stop. And the output will go. It's just a few millivolts. It'll go from this wire up and around my monitor into the breadboard here, which is hooked up to the stapler, so I can tap this down, and I have two wires connected there. So I'll give you a demonstration. Like that. And then it goes right here through the breadboard and into these wires, which in turn go over to the scope and back into the receiver. I was using the scope earlier to, this is an old Tektronix 422, beautiful old thing. I was using it earlier to measure it, but there's no real reason now because it's DC, it's just going to be a wave. I mean, it's not going to be a wave, it's just going to be a straight line. And over here is my 2-meter rig. And what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to show you, which is not strictly speaking legal, so don't try this at home. I'm on 5.2 direct here, so I'm just going to transmit a bit in CW. Actually, it's not CW, it's just Morse code over voice, which is going to sound awful to anyone who's listening, but I figured it'd be more interesting than just, saying it to no one. Which I probably am. I just have the antenna up there. Anyway, I'm not an expert at Morse code, so I have the alphabet up just in case I need to cheat, and I'll run off a few bars. Let me just put the camera down here. You see that? Oh, there we go. So you get it all hooked up and you turn it up a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn up the volume. Then I'm going to transmit at the same time as I'm playing. So. Now, if anyone was listening to that, it probably didn't sound very good. As you noticed, there's a bit of a popping sound before each key, which is annoying. And eventually, I'll rig up something a lot better. This is pretty can just kind of JS together. But anyway, there you go. A little stapler Morse code key. Okay, thanks for watching.